The 720p CarPlay 8-to-DIN Android 12.0 car DVD player stands out as a versatile and feature-rich solution, tailored specifically for Porsche 911 987 Cayman, and Boxster models. Available on AliExpress, this device integrates cutting-edge functionalities with user-friendly design to redefine in-car entertainment and navigation. Equipped with a vibrant IPS touchscreen, the 720p CarPlay DVD player delivers crisp visuals and responsive touch sensitivity. Powered by a robust 818 S7 Android 13.0 CPU with for-core Cortex-A7 1.3 GHz, it ensures smooth operation and supports a range of multimedia formats. Whether you're streaming audio, watching videos, or navigating through its intuitive interface, the system provides a seamless user experience. Designed specifically for Porsche 911 987 Cayman, and Boxster models, the 720p CarPlay DVD player features a sleek and ergonomic design that seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's dashboard. The installation process is straightforward, utilizing standard DIN sizing and compatible with existing steering wheel controls for added convenience and ease of use. The 720p CarPlay 8-to-DIN Android 12.0 car DVD player from AliExpress represents a sophisticated solution for enhancing your driving experience in Porsche 911 987 Cayman, and Boxster models. With its advanced multimedia capabilities, seamless connectivity options, and intuitive navigation features, the device not only upgrades your vehicle's entertainment system but also ensures enhanced safety and convenience on the road.